In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to turn off active status on Instagram. So to turn off active status on Instagram, you have to follow the steps. First of all, make sure that the Instagram application is completely up to date, and then you go ahead and open up or log in into your Instagram account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. So right on this page, go ahead and press the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner, and then tap the try bar icon. When you do that, it's going to take you to the settings and privacy page. Over here, scroll down a bit, and then head over to the section how others can interact with you. Here, go ahead and press on message and story replies. As you do that, you'll be able to see show activity status. So go ahead and press on it, and here it should look something like this if you've already turned on. Then to turn it off, just toggle the button and the active status has been turned off. So in this way, you can turn off active status on Instagram. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.